Hi, today's movie day. So, this is gonna be my last video, maybe. Okay, I'm just wanting to let you know, because I might not make any more videos, because today's moving day. Alright, bye. I'm locked out. Oh my god, they're leaving. Guys!
Just gotten laid off. Then I came across an email from GM offering discount programs. It was such a good deal. I really can't
They left.
afford not to get this.
Oh my
I'm so
god.
happy I did it. It's
Okay,
the best purchase
I'm
I've
stranded
ever
here.
made. My name is Erica Pearson. I bought a 2009 Saturn Vue.
Now I'm stranded in my room for the rest of my life. They aren't gonna come back. A moment of silence. Okay, looks like I'm gonna make more videos, so I'll be seeing you guys more often. Okay, bye.